background noise, guys. That's why I was just waiting. Okay, so let's start. Hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Daily Good Update where we analyze gold for possible intraday entries. If you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a weekly time frame chart in front of us and we can say this. Gold is ranging to close a weekly candle above this high, because after creating this breakout structure here, as you can see, price usually creates an FVG here. Same thing here, when price break out of this high, it range here a bit, then it retests this zone again, then pump. So same thing we can expect here, that price will range here and then it will drop to this zone, then again pump. And as we can see, we have this zone as our priority now. After testing this zone, we will be expecting a buy. It is possible that gold close a candle here, then on the next candle it pump directly without testing here and create a FVG here. Most of the time, whenever price break a high, it don't retest that and creates a FVG. After creating FVG, it range again and test that FVG and then bounce. See this? After breaking high, it did not test that zone immediately. Pump again, creating a FVG, then it test. Same thing here. If you see this, you will analyze that price usually do this thing. Okay guys, so like this, whenever price create a FVG and test it, it is the indication that it will go for a next round. And as you guys know, our psychological structural levels, that whenever price flip a area which includes 5 and 0, then price is directly targeting the level which is including more zeros. Means if price is flipping the area of 3500, it will target 4000. See this? It directly targets 4000. Same thing here, price is trying to flip 4500. So after flipping 4500, next target will be, you can automatically assume what will it be, near about 5000 here. So this will be your target after closing candle above 4500, and this will be your next entry zone. So this is what we are expecting. Same thing you can see in past, after flipping 2500, price just directly went towards 30. Here this was 2500. After flipping 2500, target was 3000. Wait a minute guys. Too much background noise, guys. Too much background noise. So this is how we play usually psychological levels. Whenever price flip area which is having 5 and 0 and the background, it usually go for a round number around like 3000 here. Flipping to 2500 goes for 3000. Flipping 3500 goes for 4000. Same thing here. Flipping 4500, it will go for 5000. So this is a possible outcome we can expect here. For this target, what we need here is price should close this weekly candle above this previous high, creating a breakout structure here, because this is engulfing candle. So what will happen? Price is likely to test this zone. First is this zone and second is this bottom area. After testing these two zones, price is likely to pump. So after this weekly close, next picture will be clear. Before that, we need to play in smaller time frame. And now let's see what we have in smaller time frame. First of all, a daily time frame. Daily time frame is keep ranging here, and whenever we have a range formation, we should be knowing that it will be between a single candle high and low. So this is our candle which have broke this structure. So this is our single candle range. So price is ranging here. Whenever price sweep the candle high, usually is go for a run towards a candle low. So this will be our target, from where we will expect some pump, and it should have some order block below it, and this is the order block which is exactly below our range low. So here what we have a complete range here. Price should break this low, close a candle here. Then on the next week we will expect price to test this zone, again pump and again drop towards this low around 4500. So next week we will expect some drop. This week we still have a chance that price test this area, again rise, and price should not close this weekly candle below here 4550. If this happens, then we are in very dangerous situation that price will sweep this equal lows. Then price will be bearish. So according to daily time frame, today will close above 4550. Now let's see 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour we have a complete range here, and price seems not moving, so we will just follow this channel. This channel is running from this bottom to this top, and this is what we have: a range high, a range low, and same thing price is doing here. Top test, drop, bottom test, again pump, same thing here. And according to 4-hour structure, this zone is buying zone. We have a multiple bounce here. So for the bounce again, we need a sweep. This is our breakout structure. This is. We have a candle closing above, so this full zone is our buying zone. On the test, price will pump. And now let's see 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, the same area is our buying zone. This is our liquidity zone. We have a liquidity sweep here, and this is our order block from where price is continuously bouncing. So we need a strength in the market, so price should sweep this low like this one, again reclaim and break out like this, then test this high and again drop. So this is what you can expect here, and this will be your breakout structure. Until this low gets break, price is bullish, and this will be a bullish consolidation till then. Okay, to be bearish here, price need to close a 2 candle below this low. This is 4 hour structure, so 2 candles should close below this low of 4569 to be bearish. Then price can test 4500. So we will see this price action here around the area of 4585 to 4569. After testing this area, we will be again watching for buy, and our target will be this high. If you see this same candle range theory in 4 hour time frame, here what we have, price was running high, it was not breaking the previous candle low. See this? It is a candle break, candle sweep, high sweep, then usually go for low sweep, then again pump, and this is the last candle in which we have a candle high break. Okay, so this is our high break. So price should break the high of this candle to be bullish. Again we have a candle high break, but then we don't have any high break. After that we have a low break, candle created this much big retracement, then again its high is not broken, we have again the high, low break, price is continuously breaking its low. See, this is how you play this structure. It's breaking the previous candle low and closing a candle, it will continue. But it is not closing below the previous candle low, then you can expect market to sweep its high. This is 1 hour, 4 hour it will be much clear. See this? Let me show you. Let's start from here. This was the final candle which is high. So this candle broke its high and low will be our range. See how market range between this high and low. High got sweep, then target is low. After low sweeps, again market is pumping, again high break and candle closing above. This is our new range. Forget about previous ranges. Price will not break its low. Low sweep, high is your target. This is again candle closing above. Forget about the previous range. This is your new range. Price will range here. See this, high got sweep, market is targeting its low. Now it is breaking low, so now price is bearish until we have this high break. This is our new range. And you can clearly see this, price is continuously ranging here. Its low is getting sweep, so our target should be its high around 4632. So we will be watching for a one more sweep here around 4583. If candle close below, it will be instantly got bearish, and our target will be the continuation until we have again the change in candle range. Okay, so this is what we are expecting here. the complete range. Just play a candle range. Don't expect much from gold right now. It is having a very choppy market, so we will play this. Our target is this high around 4632. I will be expecting it after the sweep here. Price will sweep this low, and what could be the sweep zone? It will be defined in 1 hour structure. In 1 hour, we will see from where we are getting the most bounce, and this is the zone from where we are getting most bounce. See this? Single bounce, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this is the zone which is creating this breakout structure. So we can expect market to test this zone, again close a 4-hour candle above it, and it will target this high. And we have a equal low liquidity here. So possible sweep is there. This is our 4-hour candle range, and this is our sweep zone. Remember guys, price should not close a 4-hour candle below our 4-hour wick, which is 4583. If 4-hour candle close below, then price will be bearish very much, but before that price is still bullish and it can target this high around 4632. Now let's see a smaller time frame. Let's say 15 minute. In 15-minute time frame, our last breakout structure is this one. So until price break above this high, it's bearish. Okay. This is full order block. And in 15-minute time frame, this is all liquidity which is being grabbed and price is continuously going downside. After sweeping this high, this was the internal structure, breakout structure, and this is your change of character. After the change of character, we have order block test and drop. Again this order block is testing. We have a new breakout structure. This is your last low. On closing below, this will be your new breakout structure. Price will again rise, test this area around 4600 and again drop. Target will be 4578 to 4570. Wait for a candle to close below, then on the test you can short. Remember guys, this is range, so play very careful. I'm avoiding trade here. I am in short from here around 4615 and my target is this one. 5-minute time frame, the same structure. Price is rejecting from here and you can clearly see this, a complete structure here, and price will not go above this zone here. It will test here again and drop because 5-minute is bearish right now, continuously breaking structure. So right now smaller time frame is bearish and we can expect it to continue until we have a change of character in 5-minute time frame, and this will be targeting around 4578. So this is all we have in gold. We have analyzed it from weekly time frame to 5-minute time frame, and it is just a range, and I have told you guys how to play range. We need a proper confirmation. Price will range for 1 week more and possibly we will get the test of 4500. After the 4500 test, we will be watching for a swing buy position towards 4700 and maybe towards 5000. Okay, So this is what we have in gold. Now let's see silver. In silver, let's analyze from weekly market. We don't need this all. I'm just deleting this, and then we have the same structure as gold in silver. So this is our candle which should close above around 84. Price should close above 84.03. After the closing, price will retest this zone and again pump, and first target will be 95, and the major retracement area from where we will get the next bearish move in silver, which is around 100. This is the big psychological level in which price is changing from 2-digit number to 3-digit. So this will be a very much big psychological level for people, in which we will see at least the drop towards the area here around 72 to 70. I will expect silver to drop near this area. After this area test, we will see another pump towards 160. Okay, so this is what I expect in silver. This is a bigger time frame view. Now let's see smaller time frame view for a good entry. Now let's see daily time frame. In daily time frame, we have the same area here, the same as gold. Silver is completely similar to gold. The structure of both asset is very much similar. They both need to test this area, structural area, to gain a momentum towards the next psychological levels. After this test, price will fall. So we will be watching for these zones. Now let's see 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour, we have this last breakout structure. After that, we have this change of character to candle closing below, and this is our order block from where silver can drop, and price is trying to drop from here. See this? Whenever big fall happens, then price create a bearish flag, then it break below it and drop further. So we will watch it for a bearish flag in 1-hour time frame. And do we have a bearish flag formation here? Then yes, price is forming a bear flag. So if you want to short silver, watch for the breakdown of this bear flag. After the breakdown, your target will be this low, around 8600, and we can reduce this zone to here. Now let's see 15-minute. In 15-minute time frame, our last breakout structure was here. After this breakout structure, we have a change of character to candle closing below, then the retracement, again a breakout structure, and another one. So price is bearish, and this is your next zone from where silver can drop from here. Target can be this low, and if price pumps, then this will be your next short zone. From this zone, price will drop again. Okay, so silver is bearish. Now let's see BTC. In BTC, our target was here, and price should retest this zone to again pump. The structure is clear in BTC. It is bullish right now, and we have a 5-wave to upside formation done. This is 1, 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. When usually 5 waves is there, price is bullish until we have a change of character back below. This previous all price action will be invalidate, and price can follow this structure, and my target will be this high. Okay, so BTC is bullish. Watch for buy near 94,150 to 93,500. Same for Ethereum, but Ethereum don't have any change of character here, and this is your structural resistance. We can expect Ethereum to test this zone again, and we don't have a clear structure in Ethereum here. As you can see, this was our high, low, this is again high, low, breakout structure, and we have change of character. So until we have a break above this high, Ethereum can be bearish. We have a continuously going upside momentum. If price reject here, break down below this area, our target will be this low. Why Ethereum is bearish? Because we have a change of character. This is our breakout structure. We have 5 waves, then price instantly changing its direction after testing these areas. So this is the zone from where Ethereum can drop again. Okay, so Ethereum is done. Now for the DXY, we were expecting market to drop again from this trade zone, which is our QML area in daily time frame. So watch for a 4-hour structure change after the test of this high. Okay, so what this zone, from here it can again pump. This is the order block. Price can test here, again pump until we have this low gets break. DXY is quite bullish right now. You can enter in short once we have this change of character, then your target will be this low. In 1 hour time frame is still bullish. We need a change of character, guys. Then we have GBP. GBP recently gave a new break of structure below this low. And if you see this in daily time frame, we have a 1 candle closing below the previous low. Previously, 1 candle closed below and second candle close above. Same thing can happen here. If today's candle again close above this high, it will be still bullish and we can target this high. But if we have a 1 more candle close below here, then it will be a change of character, and this change of character will lead towards first target this low, and second target will be this zone around 1.22. This is AUD. AUD is still trying to hold this previous low in 4 hour time frame. It is still bullish. Once we have a change of character here, two candles closing above, on the retracement you can buy and target will be this high. Sorry guys, my voice is not good right now. Too much speaking. As we were expecting in euro, it finally break below the previous low. On the test of this zone, euro can again drop and target will be 1.56. 156 here. From this zone, if this area holds, we will be watching for buy after a 1 hour or 4 hour structure change here. I need a 4 hour structure to form here, then change of character, and then I will be watching for this move. This change of character will be aligned with this trend line break. So in euro, possibly we will see a change of character and this trend line break on the same time after test of this green zone. So watch for buy in euro after this zone and target will be the swing high. So this is all we have in today's market. Price is ranging in gold and all other assets are still down because of DXY is pumping, and we will be watching for a buy after the test of this zone around 78 to 69. So that's it. If you guys have any question, you can ask me. Nobody's having questions. Okay, so I guess everyone having a clear view about gold and where it is going. So we will be closing this session over here. Thank you for joining, guys. See you in the next session.